Open my eyes, I slept through the day. Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away. Push it away. Last night was fun, don't feel like today. Feel like today, let's do it again, let's go on a date. Cause tonight I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about. So we can dine and spend up all our notes. Let's forget that we broke. I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life. So raise your toast for all the good times that we'll have. It'll be like the movies, be like the movies. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Might be the gin that's gone to my head. Gone to my head. Feeling so busy, don't want this to end. Want this to end. Live in the moment, I just wanna dance. Just wanna dance. Pull up my card and swipe it again. Cause tonight I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about. So we can dine and spend up all our notes. Let's forget that we broke. I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life. So raise your toast for all the good times that we'll have. It'll be like the movies, be like the movies. Rich people dreaming.
So, nandito na kami sa hotel. Nandito na kami sa Los Angeles.
Going to Disney tomorrow.
So, yan. So, nandito na kami and it's been napaka-challenging yung mga nangyari kanina. And kami yan, ni Aisha, muntik kami hindi makapag-flight dito. Or muntik nang maiwanan yung aming flight. Sobrang, sobrang stress si Aisha. Pero ngayon, nandito na kami. And dito kami sa Clarion Hotel. Ang gagawin namin ngayon is punta kami ng Walmart, bibili kami ng bigas, tapos bibili kami ng KFC. So yun yung magiging dinner namin. Tapos after nun, maglalakad-lakad kami rito sa may labas. Kasi maganda yung panahon, sobrang init. And maraming mga pasyalan na pwede pang puntahan dito ngayong hapon. Yan, nandito rin ba yung sinasabi mo na Disneyland Resort?
Disney Downtown.
Disney Downtown? Ito rin ba yung Disney Downtown?
Oo, nandito lang ba?
So, nandito rin daw pala yung Disney Downtown. Napaka-stressful ng araw pero at least nandito na kami. Safe and sound. Lalong-lalo na si Aisha, ayun. Stressful kanina. Kung ano-ano yung ginawa namin, may ginawa siya na ikukwento niya mamaya sa inyo. Pero, papahinga muna and then punta na ng Walmart at kakain.
I said stop.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Walmart. Tayong Walmart.
Ano bibili mo?
Bigas.
Kasi rice is life sa amin. Say hi. Okay, ikaw mag-video sa labas.
Because I'm buckled up. I'm not. Christy, you're not supposed to say that. Daddy, cut it. In Los Angeles. Los Angeles. Baby day. The view.
In a quarter mile, turn left
Got
to
the
south.
they cannot see the view. We can't. Because we move it.
Oh, may play area.
Oh.
Park.
There's Let's go. Nag-play area ka lang dahil sa California pa. Anong ginawa mo doon?
Skate park
area.
tayo. Skate park.
Pre-summer launch. Kids Park, Orangewood Avenue. Yung
US na US ang datingan dito sa Los Angeles.
Hello, dito kaya nagsushooting lahat ng mga movie.
Ano kaya tayo mapupuntahan dito na parang pang Hollywood style. Universal Studio pala.
Beverly Hills.
Beverly Hills. Dito rin ba yan?
Yan yung Beverly Hills. Yan yung mga pang mayayaman na lugar. Miles na dito kasi nasa US siya.
Yeah.
Yan yung mga bahay. Feeling ko yan na yung mga Airbnb nila. bahay.
Okay, can I vlog now?
Okay.
Because we're good now. We see better from the view. So we're going to Walmart. And yeah. And Los Angeles. And Los Angeles, it's so nice. But
And
it's
it's
so hot.
And it's so big. It's
Yeah,
a big
it's so
city.
big.
Show them your location ate.
What location?
Ang ganda, oh. Yung ano na yun, oh.
Guys, there's like
Yung
cherry
ano, no?
blossoms. There's like flowers everywhere. And
Pinapa-
hold it. That's a good thing. I want to hold it. Anyways, you guys, there's mommy and daddy. I don't know. It's going to be 6 more minutes until we get to Walmart. We're going to be buying Ate Katniss, Kuya Nathan, maybe Kuya Charles something, and Katie, Alfred, Alfred, Matty, and Ariel. I mean, not Ariel.
Hindi na ako lalabas sa freeway
We're
pala.
gonna be buying Zia,
Alam ko yun
Ariel.
eh, kasi di ba dito tayo galing kanina, tapos ginano
And
niya sa
Arya.
So itong diretso na lang pala to.
Yes, ito. Guys, there's a water park. Mom, there's a water park.
I know.
There's the water park, you guys.
But anak ko, alam mo yun, nangingitim na nga tayo sa Disneyland itself, tapos magkaganyan pa tayo.
So anong ano natin bukas?
We can just do the
Disneyland talaga
indoor.
tayo.
Disneyland tayo bukas.
Anyways, you guys, we're gonna go to Disneyland tomorrow.
Yeah, but we're going in the city of Disney.
No, we're gonna go to the town.
Oh.
We're gonna be there in 3 minutes. And you guys, everybody has been sleeping on the plane. I did not sleep on the second flight, except for the first flight. I slept for 1 hour. Rizzy slept for both flights.
Sa store.
Arya only slept for 1 flight. My mom,
Ay, hindi na.
she only slept for 1 flight. And my dad only slept for 2
Yung view
flights.
na parang natutuwa ako sa Palm
And I think
Trees.
you-
Alam mo yun?
Which one was 1 hour and a half?
I want to sleep.
1 hour and 15 minutes, I think.
I want to sleep because I want energy to go to Los Angeles.
And the bus was crazy. I thought it was gonna be so nice and relaxing, but it was just crowded in. I was like this. And then there was a girl that kept on pushing in because
And in Momo, not in.
And then like I was there, the girl was there, and my dad was there. He couldn't get the stroller in.
Okay, dito kami ngayon sa KFC. Bumibili sa Aisha ng chicken niya. And then, ito yung na-rent namin na sasakyan. This is RAV4. Ayan. So, okay naman yung itsura niya dito sa amin. So, kasi Rizzy. Tapos ayun si Arya nasa likod. Okay naman yung itsura ng RAV4. Maganda naman. Kasyang-kasya naman kami. So, ayan. So galing lang namin ng Walmart, bumili kami ng mga bagay-bagay, yung mga grocery na doon sa likod. So bumili kami ng consumable within 7 days, gatas, tubig, tinapay, ano pa?
It's like we're
Noodles. I know, it's just like we're living in Winnipeg.
No, it's like we're living in a secret base.
Yan. Para kaming lokal dito. And yun nga, sinabi ko kanina, nasa Clarion Hotel kami. Malapit lang siya dito sa mga sa amenities, sa mga amusement park dito sa bukas. Hanap kami ng pagkain Filipino food. Malapit din dito yung Jollibee, may Jollibee rin kami nakita. Tapos Seafood City. Yeah, okay. Seafood City, meron din dito. Tapos ang daming restaurant na pwedeng puntahan at pwedeng kainan. Pero bukas kasi ang schedule namin ay saan tayo bukas?
We're going to go to Disney Town, I think.
So bukas pupunta kami ng Disneyland. So for 2 days yon kasi hanggang 9 PM ang Disneyland Park eh.
to go to Disney.
So pupunta kami ron bukas. Tapos it's around 6:48 in the evening. So we'll try to room around there. Ano yung sinasabi ni Mami? Disneyland Park?
Disney Town.
Downtown. Ayan, may
Okay,
Disney downtown. And yan, may Disney Downtown daw dito na walking distance lang din sa amin. Kaya we'll try to walk mamayang gabi kung kaya pa. Kapag hindi na, edi sa next time na. And then, ayan, ang init po dito ngayon. It's around 97 Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit yung ano nila rito eh, tsaka miles per hour.
And you guys, my mommy has been gone for so long.
I know.
I think there's a lineup.
I know. And then, ayan si mommy. Ayan si mommy. Oh,
Hi, mommy.
Ayan si mommy.
Happy bestie.
How was it?
Ano?
How was it? Madami? Madami rin.
Hindi, ang tagal ng service nila.
Okay.
Mommy,
Lagay
can I
ko
have a
tong
bite?
tissue dito. O, ito anak ko. Anak, huwag kayong magkakalat ha. Hindi natin to sasakyan. O, dali.
It
O,
will end up, daddy will just clean it up.
kasi we will clean it up. Tayo magki-clean up nito.
Rice's Life. Nagdala kami ng aming rice cooker. So bumili kami sa Walmart ng ng bigas. Tapos ito. Dala kami ng sarili naming rice cooker para makatipid kami at alam namin mabubusog kami. Tapos nag-grocery kami ng mga tubig. And then bago namin KFC. Pinaano na namin to. So okay na yan. Pwede na yan para ngayong gabihan. At lahat kami ay napagod talaga ng sobra. As in sobrang napagod. Kaya papahinga na muna kami ngayong araw na to. Or if ever may oras pa, meron pa kaming pupuntahan na isa, yung Disney District Downtown, Disney Downtown, na kung saan may mga store doon na hanggang alas 12. Yan. I think hanggang alas 12 ng gabi. So ang oras namin ngayon is around 7:54 in the evening, and we'll see if makakapunta pa kami ngayong gabi. You know, it's around 6:38 in the morning. So marami na mga naglalakad dito pala. So kakaumpisa lang talaga ng umaga rito, as in kakabukang liwayway. Look at that. So look at that. Yeah.
Guys, are you going to have breakfast with one of the capitals in Disney? And then we're going to Disneyland.
Yeah, let's go inside kasi merong aircon dito. So, you know, all set up. Gear check.
Ano guys?
So, pupunta kami ngayon sa sa breakfast with the Disney character sa Goofy. Ang call time is around 7 o'clock. And, Ate Cassie, you're saying something? Nag-brush na kayo?
And we are going to have Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. I think that
Outfit check. Ooh, outfit check. Ganda. Oh, come on, let's go na. So, outfit check. So, yan, pupunta na kami ngayon doon. And we are going to stay there. I think whole day na kami. Ano ba yan? So, I think whole day na kami doon sa Disneyland. And yeah, we're going.
but we're gonna go with Goofy this time. And I kind of wanted Minnie Mouse and Donald. I forgot Donald Duck's girlfriend. I forgot her name. Or Ang ganda. See that one? Well, Daddy is driving. Yes, Mommy. Mom, what do you say to Ali?
So pretty. So excited. We're
And
going to have breakfast with the characters.
oh my gosh, that's so bumpy.
Convention center. And ito na yung Downtown Disney.
Where's downtown?
There, Downtown. Dito? Downtown Disney.
It was at the other.
Ito yata. Ito. Pero ito yung Downtown Disney.
Pero doon tayo pupunta eh.
Oo. Ganda, oh. Ay, anak, awakan mo muna. Oh, it's time to check in. Sabi niya, it's time to check in.
Picture mo yung mga lugar na yan. Yung mga lugar na yan.
Kaya, pipikit mata ko sana yun.
Turn left, and you will arrive at your destination.
Pixar Place. Oh, dito tayo.
It's so easy.
Convenient yung ano.
Yung hotel. Fix. Ito yung Grand California Adventure, babe. Grabe ang Disney. Grand California.
Ang dami ng tao.
We'll go breakfast.
Breakfast. At Goofy. Goofy's Kitchen? Yeah. Oh no. Okay. How about this one? Okay, sorry.
Mali po kami. So, tanga po. Natanga po. Kasi
Okay.
po, ang laki po nito. Ang laki po nito.
Hindi ko
Sobrang.
alam eh.
But, ano ba nilagay mo? Disneyland Hotel?
Oh.
Sira
Eh,
ulo.
nandun siya sa Goofy's eh. Mukhang sira ulo ko naman.
Goofy's Cafe kasi. Talaga, daddy.
Sorry.
Alam nyo guys, hindi nagpipay attention tong asawa ko.
Left.
Turn left on Disney Drive. Turn left. Ayan. Then turn left on Magic Way.
Magic Way.
Yeah, turn left
But
on
he said
Magic
they
Way.
should drive first.
Yung ano ko po, yung asawa ko po. Turn left on Magic Way.
Tignan mo
Ang ganda ng mga hotel, guys. 1,000 mahigit yan isang araw per day. Parang hindi yata kaya ng powers ko. So, hindi kaya ng powers ko. Kahit ipikit mata ko.
Turn left to Magic.
Oo.
Ito, Disney Hotel.
Baliw ka kasi.
Doon tayo sa Goofy. Goofy Breakfast.
Meron, mahal po ng hotel dito, guys. Yan, mga 1,000
Ito na yun, di ba? Turn
This-
left to
Disney
Magic.
Way. Turn left onto Magic Way. Turn left to Magic Way. Turn left ka dyan. Turn left ka na.
Teka lang, may sasakyan. Hindi ka pwede na ganun dun.
Turn left to Magic Way. Tapos turn left to stop sign.
Turn left to stop sign.
sign, yeah.
Let me see.
Guys, mga ano po yan. Mga ginto. Wow. Siguro po pag nagtrabaho na po ako ng mga ilang taon, pwede na po akong mag-hotel dyan. Pero
ngayon,
parang hindi ko pa po kaya talagang ipikit mata.
Can't afford eh.
Kaya ko pa po ipikit mata mga 500. Ay hindi! May ipipikit mata po dapat ako guys na 500. Pinigilan ako ng asawa ko.
Wala mo. Mabigat yun eh. Tipid mode lang tayo ngayon eh.
Mommy, I can remove the jet slip.
Okay guys, pero 500. It's like 500. Mabigat nga po talaga yun. Kasi dito pa lang is like sa Disneyland pa lang is like abutin na kaming lima ng 1,000 plus.
Stop.
Loy parking. Ito. Wala na. No team parking.
Tanungin mo.
I think I'm on the wrong way. Oh shit.
Malik.
Oh shit. Mali. Sorry. I'm looking for the Goofy's Kitchen.
Goofy's Kitchen. We'll have to enter through the other entrance. So go ahead and U-turn.
Okay.
Make a left.
Make a
and
left. Sorry.
Dad. Si Daddy ano eh no? Antigas ng muka. Sabi nga stop sign hindi ka nakikinig.
Dito na ako. Turn left.
Cast member park. sabi na turn left to Magic Way. Tapos turn left sa stop sign.
Ito pala. Ito yung stop sign.
Iwan ko ba sa'yo? Sabi ko nga stop sign.
It's alright. We're already here.
Mommy, Daddy, I just said that.
I know.
Mommy, it's everybody first time. So do not get mad. Ew, what's that?
Porte.
Yeah, Goofy's Kitchen? Yeah.
Bring that ticket and sign so they will validate it for 3 hours. This
Okay.
is one on your dashboard.
Dashboard.
Valet and self parking are free.
So, okay. So here, where do I go now?
To the first right.
First
or
right.
straight ahead.
Awesome, thank you.
Good day, enjoy.
Are we here?
Yes.
Dining, oh may dining. So hindi ka na pala magbayad
Oo,
ng
pero
parking.
iba-validate natin yan.
Self-parking ito. And then,
Lalakad na tayo. Okay.
so anywhere from here.
Oh wow, tingnan mo guys. Ang dami pa rin taong nagpa-park. Ang dami pa
Hindi,
rin.
hotel to kasi hotel area to eh.
I know, ang dami pa rin nagpa-park. Ayan, dahil naman Disney electronic car.
Electric yun eh.
Ito, paalis na siya. Siguro pa ito.
Electric.
Electric. Papunta na silang Disneyland. Ito ba yung...
Dito na sa kabila.
Hey guys, we're at here at the hotel. Daddy's still there. He's doing something. Oh no. The waterfall. Why? You might fall. Hop, hop, hop. Ready, grass.
Pretty. Where's Daddy? Then right side. Come on. Look at this. So, this one. Oh, look at that. Mamaya mag-picture tayo dyan. Come, come, come. Goofy's Cafe. Where's Daddy? Wow. This is so good.
I know as the daylight grows how I am supposed to feel.
There's the Goofy's Cafe.
To make the same mistakes, to be part of something real. We won't stand tall, suffer love I have to steal. With blinking eyes through a bad disguise, we move on to the appeal.
Oh, look at that.
Are changing fast.
Hindi po mapapadaan na lang yung mga ano mapapangiti ka na lang, and that makes your day talaga. This one is a good experience talaga rito, and hindi namin pinagsisisihan na nag-check-in din kami dito sa Goofy's Kitchen, and so good, so good. So yun, bumili na si Aiza ng magnet namin dito para hindi na kami bibili dun mamaya. So it was a good experience naman dito. So next stop namin will be sa sa Disneyland na mismo. So ayan, that's a breakfast na sobrang mahal. Umabot yung meal ng $250 USD. But it's a good experience na rin para dun sa mga bata. Tapos may mga activity na gagawin tong sila kasi. They will have this autograph. Ayan. Saan yung sa'yo, ate? This one, oh, look.
This one,
Never. It's okay.
No, but how will I rate to the other side?
That's correct. Yeah.
I think this one.
So yan. Yeah, it's a good part. Yeah. So meron silang autograph book para at least magkaroon sila ng activity, and every time na magkakita sila ng Disney character. Let me see yung nila.
Minnie Mouse was in a rush.
Yeah.
Minnie Mouse is second. This is going to be our family together, and this is Mickey Mouse. And then this is going to be, I don't know.
Look. Oh wow. Oh wow. Ano, nagpagawa ka?
Guys, look, this is Dale. Guys, they give me a gift.
First visit? Nice.
And also, I got an autograph. And I want to show you guys.
Celestine. So we have Dale. Yeah.
And then I got Goofy.
That's Pluto.
I mean Pluto. And then Goofy. Goofy.
You got Goofy?
Yeah. Goofy.
Nice.
Guys, it was really goofy while he was doing it.
Oh, nice.
Oh no, that was Pluto.
Yeah. How about me? Wala.
He was mine. I got this one, and I don't know.
Hindi na, it's okay. Bit-bit ko rin yun. So, pupunta na kami ulit sa parking. Diretso na kami ng Disneyland. Yan. Punta na kami ron. And hanggang hanggang 3 hours ka lang pwede mag-park. Pag nag-check-in ka dyan or doon ka pumunta sa Goofy's Kitchen, you're allowed 3 hours. So, ito yung sa likod namin, yung blue. Yan yung Disneyland, Disney Hotel. Right? Right, Rizzy?
Yes.
Oh, you go run. 1